Why does Mom always smile even when she looks tired? Because she doesn't want us to worry.
Then, what if today we make her smile for real?
I think we should get her a surprise.
A secret mission.
Exactly. We're going to our room now.
Okay, sweeties, have fun!
1, 2, 3, is this even enough? It has to be. It's not about money, it's about love. Love better be on discount today. Everything looks so nice. How are we gonna choose just one gift? We don't need the biggest gift, we just need the right one. Look. Wow, this place is louder than my thoughts. Stay close. Mom would love something pretty, like this. Yeah, something simple but special.
Excuse me, how much is this? For you?
Only 1,500.
What? Does it come with a free house?
That's too much. We're buying it for our mom.
Then it's already special.
Can you make it 700?
700? You're breaking my heart.
Please don't cry, we don't have money for tissues.
Okay, last price, 900.
800?
Fine, 800. But only because it's for your mom. Yes. We saved love and money.
Lena, if we buy this, we'll have nothing left.
That's okay.
Really?
Yeah, because Mom always gives us everything, without thinking twice.
Thank you both very much.
Thank you. We're so happy. Everything looks so nice. How are we going to choose just one gift? We don't need the biggest gift. We just need the right one. Look. Hey!
Where did you two go?
Nowhere important.
Operation Surprise. Remember?
What was that?
Nothing. Just close your eyes, Mom.
Okay. Open. You
Bought this for me? We wanted you to smile. For real. I don't need anything. I already have everything right here. Sometimes the smallest gifts carry the biggest love.